What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, we finally did it. We are at 50 subscribers. We hit that mark. We're actually a little bit over it now. So that's great. Thank you guys so much for all the support and everything that you guys have done. So in today's video, we are going to go over the contest rules. I'm going to do an unboxing. And I don't know if you guys are interested in my streaming setup, but we're going to go over just a couple upgrades that I've made and everything like that, because I have two. I'm Rebelspartant66, and you are watching Rebelspartantv. All right, guys, so just a couple things I wanted to go over. I have two different streaming setups. I have one that you guys are on right now, which is my studio setup, and this is for my game streaming. I was streaming on Twitch, but I'm actually going to move to YouTube so I can do 4K. But that won't be on this channel. If you guys are interested in that, I'll let you guys know what that is on my next video. And as far as streaming goes, on this channel, I'm going to be doing 4K streaming. On my first streaming video, I noticed a couple things over here. And the quality just wasn't good because I was using everything in Streamlabs OBS as a webcam. So I went out and got the cam link, and I should be able to start streaming in 4K. And I bought a couple extra things. So the first thing I'm going to go over before putting you guys down and doing the unboxing and the contest is the Camlink Pro. So I bought that for this computer that we're sitting on. Basically what that does is it allows me to switch my different camera views on my Stream Deck. But you have to plug it into an actual computer. Like, you can't use a laptop, unfortunately. But I'm trying to use a workaround for that. So I did also go out today and buy a 4-port HDMI switch, which is a 4K Ultra HD. So I'm hoping I can plug all of those into this box and then put the output into my cam link, just the regular cam link that I have for my laptop. And unfortunately, I won't be able to use my Stream Deck for it, but I will be able to, hopefully, if everything works right, use hardware and switch it manually, which it'll be a pain in the butt, but you guys won't have to get those closed cut screens that make the robotic sound. So it'll just be a lot more fluid, and they will all be in 4K, which is the important part because I'm trying to stream in 4K. So yeah, that's something really big. And I also ordered the Sony ZV-E10 camera, which that will be for my spray booth over here. So if you guys don't know, I use two GoPros. I use a GoPro that you guys are on right now, and that sees my face in my streams. And then I use the GoPro that is over right above my Gunpla workstation. And then right now I'm using the Canon M50 Mark II, and that's for my spray booth. But that doesn't work for 4K 30 for longer than 30 minutes. So that would never work. So that's why I went to the Sony ZV-E10. That will be in Monday. That's why I haven't streamed yet, because I didn't like the quality of my streams. So anyways, I'm going to switch you guys down and give you guys the top-down view. And we're going to try a new view, and that's what I'm hoping on this computer is why I bought the Camlink Pro with the 4 different inputs, is so that I can have this camera that you guys are directing right at me, and then I can just press a button on my Stream Deck, and that'll give you guys the second camera that is face down on the product. And the Sony ZV-E10 is great for that because it has product display. So it'll zoom in on the product. So it'll be a lot better than what I'm using. This is 4K video, but it'll just be a lot better. And then also I upgraded my sound a little bit more even. Like last time I used the Rode Go Wireless 2, and that is it was just kind of bulky sitting up here. So now I added the Rode Go lavalier mic, which plugs into the Rode Wireless Go 2. So anyways, we are going to get you guys into this unboxing, and then we are going to get into the contest rules. I know you guys have been waiting for that. All right, guys, so we're back, and I figured we would do a top view. It might be a little bit easier for you guys, and this is what I will be doing once I get that Sony EV10. So it was just kind of hard to take this off the mount, put it on a tripod, and then come over. So this should be a solution for that. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So this is just from Amazon. Oh, yeah. So I was talking to you guys about how I wanted to go through the whole process, sealing the seams and everything, like getting rid of the seams on my Gunpla. So I did get the Tamiya extra thin cement. So that is the first box. And I've kind of already talked about the other things, you know, like I bought the Camlink Pro and I bought the 4-port HDMI switch. So I'm going to be trying to set that up today, and I'll let you guys know on that video how that goes. Now, I have a surprise for you guys. So I originally said it was for a $100 new type gift card. And the first winner is going to get that gift card still. So I figured I would send a second winner surprise giveaway as well. So that is what's going to be in this box. I ordered one for myself and one for you guys to do the giveaway. So the first place winner will get a $100 new type gift card. The second place winner will be sent this from me. So, are you guys ready? Second place winner, I am going to send one of these Hard Eternal Pink Haros from the Gundam Seed collection. Like I said, I ordered one for myself, one for you guys, so I will send the second place winner this as well. So, yeah, that is my unboxing. Surprise, everybody, you guys get a second place winner as well. So I'm going to switch the camera back to facing me, and then we'll get back into the video. All right, guys, now to the part that you guys have all been waiting for, the giveaway rules. So, the giveaway rules are, this video will be posted on April 1st, and it will go until April 7th, and it'll be announced on April 8th. You must be subscribed. You have to comment on this video and like it, and I would greatly appreciate if you guys also shared it, but that's not a requirement, but that'd be cool if you did. It will be picked using a random comment picker. So every comment, or so every person only gets one entry, because any duplicate comments will be like taken out of there and everything. So, and then the last and final thing is I decided to do a 2-step verification. And it's kind of like my own thing. And it just ensures for your guys' safety that your winning giveaway doesn't get sent to the wrong person. Like somebody won't claim your prize as being you and everything like that. I will comment on the winner's comment with my email to be reached at. That way you guys can contact me. And I will also post the winners on my next video, which will be April 8th. I will be using my own 2-step verification, like I said. And basically what that is if you email me, I'm going to email you back a code. And then on that winning comment, I need you to edit that comment and paste that code somewhere in your comment. That way I know that it's you that emailed me. It's my own 2-step verification. That way your prize doesn't go to somebody else. Nobody else can claim your prize. So I've really thought hard about this, and that was my solution to it. But anyways, guys, yeah, so those are the contest rules. Definitely be on the lookout for those new streams, because I am going to be streaming in 4K, like I've told you. And also, I bought the Pro so that I could actually do recording from multiple angles for my video recordings that you guys are watching right now, or so that you guys can hear like sounds. I can add sound effects and stuff like that. So watch me as I grow exponentially, guys. Like, I really want you guys to be a part of this, and we will definitely be doing a lot more giveaways in the future as well. So anyways, yeah, that is my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on the giveaway, guys. And as always, hit that like and subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and tick that bell so that you know when my next video goes live. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rebel Spartan out.